Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm about to fix me a red velvet cake. And here's the things you're going to need. Some cake flour, sugar, butter, 2 eggs, a cup of buttermilk, a teaspoon of chocolate, baking soda, and some food coloring. Also a tablespoon of vanilla. Alright, here we go. And into the oven we go. To see if our cake is ready, we're going to take a toothpick, stick it in. If it comes out dry, then your cake is ready. All right. 45 minutes on 350 degrees and we're ready. Now we have to let it cool and put the icing on. All right. Here we go. cake. My sister put me to the challenge. She said she wanted a red velvet cake, my first time. And here it is. Hope you enjoy it.
Drum roll. Wait, we lifting the red velvet. Huh? We lifting the red velvet.
Well, we come back.
I'm full.
Wait, I'm under the container.
It's good. Lorna, you ain't bring no cake now.
That looks nice. That looks nice, Mom. Give me a container.
All right, y'all. So everything should be split up correctly on that little Zeos right there.
That's beautiful.
Let me see, Relena.
It's beautiful.
All right, now let's see what we're working
Lorna, where
with.
your tray at?
Huh?
Oh, you taking the cake with you?
I want to try. Give me.
What'd you say, Relena?
That cake was delicioso.
You got it, Trevor? You got it?
I ain't seen none yet.
Where's this container? I don't see a container.
I put them on container.
I really like the icing.
I like the icing too.
Oh, wow.
Not a napkin.
Here, for Trevor.
Lorna's pulling them out that bag. Only got the container.
Lord, I got to get my to-go cake in here. Get my to-go cake. The cake. Uh-oh, Rolanda, y'all bought it? The one last night?
It was bought.
Uh-oh.
I said a lot. I like
Watch
that.
out now.
Which one, though? The one you...
I ain't gonna lie.
I'm to the floor. That's good.
It's good?
Real good. It's real good?
That's like real.
Well, y'all just saying that.
Look,
I better get this life there. I better get some to do this.
bro.
That's yours, Ron. I told her put me to the challenge.
You know what? You can't
I'm full. I can't eat none.
This one mine. This one, I like the small piece.
You want some cake?
It was gifted. I don't
I like
know.
the other one though. It's not the same people though, huh?
I don't think so.
You can't. The other one was a real. The other one was good.
I can't find
Here come Trevor. Trevor.
I'm to the floor. That's good.
It's good?
Real good. It's real good?
That's like real.
Well, y'all just saying that.
Look,
I better get this life there. I better get some to do this.
Trevor too.
I ain't gonna throw that. No, y'all just had it.
Uh-oh.
yeah.
Kim say she don't like red velvet. She going back for a second piece. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Trevor says it's real good. Huh, Trevor? It is really good. Thanks. I really love the ice.
Look. You want me to tell you how? You want me to tell you what I think about your cake?
What?
You make your mother very proud.
Thank you, Rolanda. Thank you, Rolanda.
That's that one.
It's been a long time since I seen a person eat with their fingers.
I didn't have no fork or a spoon.
Was it that good? This is what's left.